Welcome to the Request buttons in Merlin tutorial. When searching for a book in Merlin, physical copies of books may have multiple request options. This guide should help you choose which request button to use. The request button between the location and call number gives you the choice to request a book. When you click this button, you are given two choices. You can choose one chapter from a book, or you can request the whole book. After this, you will need to log on with your username and password. If you need just one chapter of a book, library staff can find the book, copy the specific chapter you want, and send it to you electronically. You never have to come to the library. However, this may take a few days. If you request the entire book, library staff will retrieve the book and put it on the hold shelf for you to come and pick up. This may take 2 or 3 days. You will receive an email when the book is ready for you to pick up. The book will remain on the hold shelf for 10 days. If you do not pick up the book during this time, the book will be reshelved in the general library stacks. If you have not received an email notification after 3 days, please send an inquiry to accvsc@missouri.edu. If you are in a hurry, it is quicker for you to retrieve the book yourself. Just write down the call number and find the book in the stacks when you get to the library. For more information on how to locate books using call numbers, visit this library guide. You might notice that not all books have this request button, because some books, such as those on reserve or in special collections, cannot have a hold status in Merlin. In these instances, the only request button is at the top. When you click this button, you will be asked to log in with your username and password if you are not already logged in. The name of the book should pop up, as well as some other information. On this page, you can choose from a variety of pickup locations, including the MUL's Library Circulation Desk, and other library locations such as the Engineering Library. There is a section on the form that says Cancel if not filled by. It is recommended that you leave this portion blank for the default, which is 30 days. However, if you need the book sooner than 30 days, choose the latest date that you can still use the book. Most books arrive in 2 or 3 days no matter what date is typed into this box, and once the date you typed in the box has passed, the request is automatically canceled. If you need any help, please feel free to contact the library over chat, email, or in person at the reference desk.